Yeah, Henry, Debbie's going to write a lot of headlines across the southeast. A lot of water pushing on shore. Very heavy rain across the Carolinas over the next couple of days. It's so slow moving. It's only moving at 6 miles per hour. And of course, tapping the Gulf of Mexico, now the southern Atlantic. And it's just going to continue to just lumber up the southeastern coast. All right, we've got a tropical system to look at. We've got a beautiful sunset to enjoy. But first, on the hill this Monday night, 1 down and 4 to go until the weekend. We've got winds that are relatively calm. I mean, the breeze is picking up a little bit, and you can see Old Glory on the move. A pair of 8s on the thermometer feels like 91. The dew point's been hovering in the mid-60s, so the highest heat index we saw today was only about 101. It wasn't too bad at all. All right, here's that sunset from KENS 5 eyewitness Janet Key over the Dominion. Look at that color. Just spectacular. God's paintbrush on the palette tonight. All right, 101 Pleasanton this afternoon. We did get some highs of 102, 104 Carrizo Springs. Del Rio hits 102. 93 Bernie's not bad. Kerrville 94. Pair of 9s at New Braunfels, and we stopped at 98, about where we should stop this time of year. And the record from 1964 stays in place. But this is expected. I mean, this time of year is the hottest time of year, between July 30th and August 16th. These weeks are considered the hottest of our 12 months. 97 is going to be the peak average high, which is right now, and then we start the downward slope. But it's going to be a slow fade, I promise you, because look at this heat up this week. 103s are waiting for us Thursday, Friday, even Saturday. That could push the feels like up to 106, 107, and for the final day of the week, 108. So you've got to be hydrating now. This is dangerous heat. That's why it's a weather impact alert day for 4 days straight. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Because weather is going to impact you when it gets this hot. When the heat index is racing up to 107, 108, you've got to prepare for it. Make sure you're wearing light-colored, loose-fitting clothing. Make sure you're hydrating. And if you are spending time outside, make sure to limit it. And please remember Project Cool. Drop off a brand new box fan any San Antonio fire station. There's one near you. And a simple box fan can save a life. If you need a fan, call the United Way at 211. All right, to the tropics, and I'll show you this system. Moving into the Eastern Caribbean, 30% chance it becomes Ernesto. That's the next name on the list. But watch what happens with the high. You know, it oscillates back and forth just a bit, but then it takes the upper hand as we get closer to this system. Now, here's the system moving across the Yucatan Peninsula on Wednesday, August 14th. If the high's here, it's going to block it to the south and it moves to Mexico, and this will not be a Gulf of Mexico worry. All right, 14-day forecast. Remember, that's early. We can see a lot change before then. We've got 4 weather impact alert days because of the heat. The heat index is going to race up to 107 or 108, especially Friday, Saturday. Could be as high as about 105 Wednesday, Thursday. No chance of rain in this forecast with highs near 100.